how your experience with us has been and what it's been like since the site's launched?
Feedback from customers has been very positive. They like the new website. They like the ability to be able to send us a PO or send us an email inquiry by filling their own basket. So we've had several of those going so far. We haven't really pushed customers to do that because we want them to make their own choices on how they do stuff. But I do see that we could have a campaign where and just talk about it more with the customers. It's just kind of happening organically at this point. As far as putting the website together, I think Manny certainly took the lion's share of that work over what I did. I mean, I joined into the meetings and stuff, but he was the real go-between between your guys and UBS. So I'd let him speak to that probably more.
Yeah, no, it was kind of effortless on our part, like whatever you guys were asking for, it wasn't much. And then I think that your team did a lot of digging themselves, so it kind of helped us quite a bit. And in the beginning, maybe we weren't on the exact same page, but like within a couple of emails, we were, in the same trajectory for the website, what we want. And I think it finished up exactly where we wanted. So I think overall it's great.
I actually wanted to ask too in the beginning, I don't know if you were considering other providers too, or were you kind of just talking with us? Like, what was that process?
We talked to several people. Yeah, so we, how did we hone in on them specifically?
What made you decide to go with our team?
I think just chatting with you, it was just a lot easier to work with. You were more laid back versus other guys. And it just seemed like you were going to take care of more of the work than us. So I think, you made us feel that you're the experts. You're going to come ask us for questions, which we're going to be able to answer, and you're not going to lean on us for, extra work, which we don't.
The heavy lifting, you guys did it. We didn't have to do it. And
what part of the process or the website were you most happy with? Like,
I think the flow to add to cart and then checkout. I think it went pretty smooth, and what we're expecting to have like a e-commerce feel without having pricing and all that, I think we checked that box for sure.
So you mentioned one of the key things was like how easy it was to work with us and how we took a lot off your plate to just streamline the whole process. How else would you describe the communication or collaboration process?
I think just in a positive way. I mean, both your guys were good. I mean, James was great right from the get-go, and then he was really good. He kind of started to shine more at the end of the project more than the beginning, because we didn't really meet him at the beginning. Well, I think what James did that was fascinating to me is he learned our product line. He understood what we were selling and what the different variations were of it. In the end, he was asking questions, and I'm going, wow, we should hire this guy to sell, because he knows our product so well at this point. But I can imagine just starting a website like that. How do you learn the product? Yeah. To do a good job, you really have to. And he took the effort to dig into it and understand every product line and saying, because he came into us and said, I think you're missing something here, and fix things up, because he could see those gaps that we would have from a higher altitude, we wouldn't have seen those gaps, and he did. So
if someone was on the fence about working with us, what would you tell them?
Yeah, I would say go for it. Like, as long as Paul, James, and you're involved, and you don't have another crew of shitty people, I think go for it. Because you three are good. And I mean, I was even talking to other people, like when we see, our customers and we tell them, hey, new website. And then, if they ever say, hey, we're looking to redo our website, I'll definitely recommend them. So, I don't think there was no negative part on my side.
No, I don't think so either.
Yeah, so it went smooth as it could. Yeah. And we're happy with the results. So you'd get good recommendations from us.
Yeah, for sure.